I have here on this page two citations that I'm using in my paper. I just wanted to show you a couple of things that hopefully will help you as you add citations to your introduction. First of all, look how close they are. They both have the same first author, the same second author, the same third author. The difference comes in the fourth author. Here's Waddington, W-A-D-D, and here's Wade, W-A-D-E. And so really, the difference between this D and this E is why I alphabetized them the way I did. Now, usually when I find these in the library, I tend to copy and paste them in here. Hopefully, a lot of you are very comfortable with RefWorks or other tools that can create a bibliography for you. If you have that available to you, just check certain things. For example, sometimes see this DOI, this capital D. It really needs to be a small d there. Sometimes you have to go through and correct that. Sometimes the title of the article, like Strategies for Teaching Students to Think Critically, sometimes the teaching and the students are capitalized, and for APA style, those should be small letters. Sometimes, for example, look at this journal right here. It's volume 78, issue 4, but I do not need this 4 because the pages are serially numbered. You can tell that issue 1 might have gone from page 1 to page 250, and then number 2 went from 250 to 600, and so on and so forth, so that by the time we get to issue number 4, it's numbered serially. Somewhere in those pages are 1102 to 1134. That's a fairly new thing in APA style. Some professors insist on that, others don't care as much. So I'll be gentle with you if you include issue numbers. Then finally, these need to be hanging indented. So I'm going to highlight this whole area, come into paragraph, and right here under special, right now it says none. I'm going to change this to hanging. And what it will do, if I click OK, is it will change these to be exactly APA style in terms of the first author's last name is what hangs out on the left, and then the rest is indented. I still have two problems. These need to be double spaced. The reference section needs to be double spaced, so click on double here, click OK. Now that's looking good. One more problem, and I bet you can see this. I can't have any spaces in between. This is how your references need to look. It's good practice to write your references APA style as carefully as you can. Then you'll own them. You'll have them ready for a dissertation. Plus, you'll start to memorize the rules that make up APA style references. I know for me, it's taken a couple of years of practice. So we'll get started now and we'll keep learning together. Thank you.